Hey, welcome to the club. So your E84 X1 key fob isn't working anymore. It probably just needs a new battery. To get started, we'll take the key out, push down on the button, pull the key out, and we're going to need to get this plastic cover off. To do so, we're actually going to use the key to come in here right on this little plastic ledge, and we're going to pry the cover off. Put your thumb over the cover so it doesn't go flying. Just give a little twist with the key and the cover pops right off. Put the cover somewhere safe so you don't lose it, and the battery's ready to just fall right out. Now when you're replacing this, you'll need a CR2032 battery. You can get those just about anywhere, definitely not a special part. So we stick it in with the plus side pointed up. If you stick it in the other way around, it will fit, but it won't work. We actually see that problem pretty frequently, so make sure it goes in the right way. And we're just going to take the cover, put it right over where it goes, and we're going to press down and wait for the click. Make sure it's all the way down just so any dirt or lint doesn't get inside. And we're going to take the key, stick it right back in where it goes, and we're done.